What's up, YouTube? Oh, man, I tell you, it's been a long day. So, I've got this computer to right me that I'll show you. I'll just move my webcam. But I'm currently running Windows 8 Developer Preview. Well, the beta is coming out at the 29th or 28th of February, and I'm definitely going to install it, because, let me tell you, this Developer Preview has been giving me issues. Okay, first things first. Windows 8 is meant for touchscreens, tablets mainly. So, hopefully, here's what I hope Windows does. You've got Windows 8, great, that's for tablets. Then you've got Windows 7, great, that's for desktops. Don't mix the two. Come on, people. Completely different subjects. Hold on, one second. Okay, so this is Nook Color. Not a Windows tablet, but hey, it'll get the job done, okay? So, you're touching, yeah? Okay, well, you see this? This, and this are how you work a desktop. You don't touch the screen, no. That's for one of these. Okay. Second of all, Developer's Preview, I know that. But it should at least run audio. But no. Here, I'll show you. Sorry about this. Chords. Right there, if I click on it, it says the audio service is not running. Okay, just some background on you. Okay, it was working when I had this computer on XP. Well, it was my family's, and then I acquired it because it didn't run very well, so I tried to put Windows 8 on. Runs great, by the way, just normal browsing and stuff. However, the audio doesn't work. I've checked the drivers, I've updated them, it still does not work. It says it's working, except it doesn't. It's not running. So if you guys know how to make it work, great! Please let me know. Otherwise, I'm still upgrading to the beta when it comes out. Because I don't see anything with this Developer's Preview that's any good. Oh yeah, and guess what? The beta has the App Store, which I really want to take a look at and review. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This has been JK Productions 1212. Right now, I'm going to be learning some basic programming using, what's it called? One second, it's got to load. It's got a gig of RAM, a dual, okay, so the computer it's running on is a dual-core 2.2 gigahertz AMD Athlon, and it has a gig of RAM, and so game plan. I have Developer Preview on it. If I do not like Developer Preview, guess what? Well, actually, then I'm going to beta. If I do not like beta, guess what? Linux, yay! Because XP is outdated. I'm sorry for all you people who are living in the past! By the way, Chris Pirillo did a great XP video. I'll have the link in the description. Okay. XP's in the past. Windows 8 is future for tablets. Still think they should keep Windows 7 for everything else. But they're not. Oh yeah, and it's called Microsoft Visual Studio 11 Developer Preview. FYI. Alright, so that's that. What else was I going to talk about? I don't know. Check the lighting in the background. It's horrible. Right there. That's because the lights aren't on. Whatever, I'm too lazy. But yeah. I'm sorry, XP users. Move on. Put it this way. If you don't want to buy a new computer, and your computer can't run Windows 7, put Linux on it. It's not that hard. Type in Ubuntu. It's the most common Linux, and most user-friendly. Type in Ubuntu. Okay. Then you download a live CD. Live. L-I-V-E. CD or DVD. Whatever. Same thing. Then you burn it. Ooh. Wow. Okay. Then you stick the DVD in your DVD drive. Okay, sweet. Then you turn your computer off. Then, once your computer is turned on, you go to your boot menu. For example, for my computer, it's escape. Others might be F12, F1. Just look, when your computer first turns on, you'll see some button like escape, and then it'll say boot menu, F1, system, preferences, whatever, okay? Press escape. Then you use your arrow keys right here. Arrow keys. Then, that's great. Click on your DVD, you'll run Ubuntu. Live CD. It will not affect XP for you people. Then, if you really love Ubuntu, you can install it. Now, you can install it with XP or just override XP. For example, with the Windows 8 computer I have, I overrid XP because I don't use it. And I don't care. Sure, it was the Media Center edition. Whoopee. The computer I'm recording on right now is better than that. It's got a Media Center. Except this Media Center's normal. Anyway. Okay, so, yeah. I would recommend, if you have a touchscreen, say you have an HP Touch Smart, go get a virtual machine emulator like VirtualBox, VMware Fusion, Parallels. If you have a Mac, whatever, download that. Then download the ISO image of Windows 8 Developer Preview. And why do I look so tired? It's only 8:30, whatever. Okay, and then, so you do that, and then you just need to install it however VMware or Parallels installs it, or VirtualBox. I tried VirtualBox, it didn't work. I do not recommend it. It is free, the other two are not free. Parallels is for Mac, VMware Fusion is for Mac or PC. But, yeah, I would recommend if you have a Touch Smart PC, or if you're a geek. Of course, if you're a geek, you're kind of late to the bandwagon. Of course, you're not that late if you're going to get the beta. It's only coming out in a little over a week. So, that is that. Have fun. Oh, by the way, when you're working with the Metro, okay, so Windows 7 has the arrow interface, just normal, what you would consider. However, Windows 8 has Metro. Now, if you don't know what Metro is, go and find out. But let me tell you something. It's horrible. Horrible, 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 horrible. Okay, so right now we have like Internet Explorer. I actually like the Metro version of the Internet Explorer. Not too shabby. However, it doesn't always work. Oh look, it worked. As I said, it doesn't work. Yeah, it doesn't work too well. But it's an interesting concept. Can't complain too much. Alright, this has been JK and Production Hotel. Sorry for the lengthiness and my tired eyes. Better get to bed. But yeah, it's fun, I guess. I've been working on this for about 8 hours. Trying to get the audio to work. And installing updates and whatnot. Whatever. Alright, so have fun. This has been a really long and boring video. I'll be surprised if you've watched it to the end. If you have, please comment below how you watched the whole way. Yeah, okay. Alright, this has been JK Productions 1212. Sorry if I bored you, but this is really... I need to work on the vlogs. I also need to get like an iPhone or iPod Touch where I can just hold it so I don't have to use my webcam. Whatever. Alright, I will see you guys later.